everyone and welcome back. In this lecture I will show you how to load data from one flat file to another flat file. So here data loading from one flat file to another flat file is a process of extracting data from one source file and generating new out file in the required format. So let's assume your source file data exit in the .csv. If you want to load that particular data into txt file, so that is nothing but a data loading from one flat file to another flat file. Now I will show you practically how we can create ETL flow to load data from one flat file to another flat file. So for this one, go to data integration service. So click on new, choose mappings, click on create. So now provide mapping name. Then choose source transformation. So click on this source, then choose connection. Okay, source connection. So actually this particular connection refer to this particular path. Okay, this particular path. So inside this particular path, select that particular object. So I am selecting this employees file. So actually this employees file exit in the .csv format. Then click on OK. So in this file having these many records. Okay, so now same data I will load it into .txt file. So choose target, choose connection information. So choose object. Right now I don't have any exiting file structure, so that's why during runtime I will create one new file. So choose formatting option. So each and every comma delimited I selected as a comma. I don't need any single quote, double quotes. Then click on OK. Now I will provide this particular file name as emptzt.txt. Then click on OK. Okay, now say validate this one. Now save it. So if you create either in table or flat file at runtime, you don't need to provide any field mapping. Why? Because that particular existing structure is not available. So here we are choosing wrong formatting option. First we need to correct that one from the source transformation. Select this one. So select delimited semicolon. Why? Because in this file, okay, in this source file, delimited semicolon. So by default it's selected as comma. Now I change it as a semicolon. I don't have any single quotes in file, so that's why I choose none option. Now click on yes. Now choose target, choose field mapping. Now see, these fields become perfectly aligned. Okay, now validate this one. Now click on save. Once you click on save, copy this particular mapping name, go to new mapping task, provide mapping name, then select runtime environment, again validate, click on next, then save it. So mapping configuration task also ready. Now click on run option. Now go to monitor. Now this job is running. So now it is in queue status. Now it is in running status. Now see, now it becomes succeeded. Okay, now go to target folder. Now see, this particular .txt file get generated inside this particular path. So this way we can extracting data from one source file and load it into different out file based on our required format. Okay, so I hope you understand how we can load data from one flat file to another flat file. If you have any queries, please post your queries into question and answer sections. So that's it guys. Okay, thank you.